What's the meaning of amber fluid? Amber fluid. Amber fluid. Amber fluid. Amber fluid. Amber fluid.
The term amber fluid refers to beer, a popular alcoholic beverage made from fermented grains. The color of beer can vary but is often a shade of amber or golden, hence the term amber fluid. Beer has been enjoyed for thousands of years and is a staple in many cultures. It is known for its refreshing taste and unique flavor profile, which can vary depending on the type and brewing method. Consuming beer in moderation may have some health benefits, but excessive consumption can lead to negative effects on health and well-being.